Don't forget to turn on captions. Welcome to part 2 of pronouns. Last time we talked about subject pronouns. You will find the link for this video in the description. Today, we'll talk about possessive adjectives. It comes before the noun to show us to whom the noun belongs. First, let's start with my. When I want to talk about something I own, like, this is my book.
Hi, I'm Raina Wynn, and this is my book, The Salt Path.
Second, we have your. When I want to talk about something that someone in front of me owns. Like, your car is amazing.
Nice ride.
Next, we have his. When I want to talk about something a male owns that is not here with us. Like, I have his keys.
The guy says he's looking for his keys. So the cop takes his time and looks over and kind of makes a little matrix.
Her. When I want to talk about something a female owns that is not here with us. Like, she lost her bag.
There was her bag of cookies in front of her eyes.
It's when I want to talk about something that belongs to an animal or an object. The dog ate its bone.
Come on, boy. Up, up, come on. That's a good boy. Steady now.
Our, when I want to talk about something that my group owns. He is our teacher.
All right, who did that? Who did it? Who did that? Who did it? It was you. It was you, wasn't it? Give me that phone.
I don't have one. You just broke mine, remember?
Okay. Okay. God damn it, I'm tired. This is...
I don't know what's happening.
Okay, I have a phone. I have a phone.
Next, we have their. When I want to talk about something that belongs to a group that I am not included in. This is their house.
Quarantined, or they're ordered to stay in their house. We're now seeing automobile factories in South Korea closed because they can't get auto parts that are made in China.
Well, this is the second video about pronouns. Stay tuned for the next one when we explain together other types of pronouns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.